So you have a problem. Your employees ask a lot of questions. So they'll probably check out your company information first, whether that be on Google Drive, Notion, Confluence, SharePoint. And since there's so much information in your company docs, they'll probably end up asking your teammates a lot of questions, which just wastes everybody's time. So what's the solution to this? An AI knowledge assistant. So something like this can provide you with answers in just seconds. So how do you actually make an AI knowledge assistant like this that provides you with the sources? Well, first you have to sign up for a free trial on OneUp. It takes 2 seconds and it's super fast to do, and you'll get set up in minutes. So to set up everything, what you have to do is just make your knowledge base. So to make your knowledge base, connect your website, connect your API docs, right, by connecting some URLs. And you can also connect your Google Drive, your Notion, your SharePoint site, whatever you use for your company information, connect that in, and you can also add text if you like. And then after that, connect to your company chat platform, whether that be Slack, Google Chat, or Microsoft Teams. So here's an example of some questions being answered on Slack. So this is a product question right here being answered on Slack with the related content. This is a sales question right here being answered on Slack. All you have to do is just tag OneUp at OneUp, ask a question, and it'll respond almost instantly. And then this is the security question on OneUp answered with Slack. And you can even automate questions to Slack. So all you have to do is click upload questionnaire, and then you'll receive responses to each question in the questionnaire. And this saves everyone a lot of time. And the best part is you can get up and running in just minutes. So if you like this demo and want OneUp to automate knowledge for your team, hit that free trial button right here, and you'll be up and running in just minutes.